Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to this video today where we're going to be talking about how to promote your webinar from your lead generation funnel. Now, if you don't have a webinar, that's okay, because we're going to be talking about how to build a webinar funnel in the later lessons here. But for now, we're going to be talking about how you would accomplish this if you have your own webinar to set up. So the great thing about webinars is that it lets you sell high-ticket products because you're on the webinar usually with the watchers, with the people that are on there for 30, 45, 60, 90 minutes. I've seen 5-hour webinars before, right? So it's a long time together with them. So you're able to sell these higher ticket items because you've been with them for a while on the webinar. They've had a chance to, get to know you, bond with you, and hopefully like you. So the great thing is that it only takes, again, just a minor change to your lead generation funnel in order to incorporate this webinar promotion, right? So let's take a look and see how simple it would be to do that. Okay, so here I am over on my website builder. I'm on my thank you page again. So we've sent them the free report, and we want to, in this case here, we're going to change this headline up a bit. You know what? We're going to leave the headline the same. We're going to get rid of the video. And all we would do here is I'm just going to change this button call to action and change it to something else. I want to see the Okay, so now we've adjusted the button text here so you can see what I did. I've changed it to say, yes, I want to see the presentation before it gets taken down forever, right? So I want to put some scarcity on it. I really want to encourage people to understand that this is a limited time type of thing and that they need to click and take action now. So the next thing that I would do is I would go into the settings of this after I change the text is I want to go and click on set action. And now, instead of SeanBailey.com/order-now, I want to change this to, it could be just webinar, right? Or it could be special video, right? Let's call it special video. And that URL, that is just the URL to go and either sign up for the webinar or go watch. Maybe there's a replay of my webinar, all stuff that we'll deal with in the future. But all I would have to do here is just change the website URL on this button here. And then what's going to happen is they're going to click, get taken over, sign up for the webinar, because there is going to be some people that will, like I say, they want to learn more, they'll want to know more, they will be inclined to go and actually sit through a webinar, watch a video presentation that you've got to offer them there. So, like I say, if you don't have this webinar in your pocket right now, that's okay, because I'm going to show you all about how to do that in the upcoming lessons here. So go ahead and play around some more on your thank you page. Don't be afraid to try out these tools and have a little bit of fun with it. And I will see you in the next video.